I'm about to show you one of my favorite spots in Orange County for photography. That means landscape photography, that means fashion photography, that means portrait, that means fine art, and that means engagement. This is such a perfect spot. And even though a lot of people know about it, the vast majority of people do not know about it. Number one, because it's down in Orange County. Number two, it's so small. It is 1.6 acres, the whole thing, which isn't a lot of space. You're gonna see me photographing some landscape photography today. I'm gonna do iPhone photography. I'm gonna do black and white. I'm gonna use my favorite app. That'll be linked down below too. But today, I'm also going to take you to a second location, which is my other favorite spot in Orange County. It is called Oldtown Orange. I used to live behind that for a couple months, long story, a whole other video, but it's where Chapman University is. It is where everything is so preserved, so historic, and so protected. So Tom Hanks filmed That Thing You Do down there. There's so many other TV shows and movies that filmed down there because it is preserved to be a historical area. I don't know if I said that right, but basically, don't touch it, don't change it, don't paint it, some crazy colors, keep it exactly as it was in the 1950s. But first, let's talk about the Noguchi Gardens. This place is, okay, it is free. It is free to enter, it is free to park, it is easy, and it is safe. You come here, everyone is respectful, there is no trash anywhere, and you get to see me walking around taking some photos. Why with my iPhone? Because I forgot my Fuji X100V. All right, so we're gonna use this because a camera is a camera for situations like this. I'm gonna do some really cool black and white photography just to show you what I would do here, but I'd love to see what you can do. And if you've been here, put that in the comments too. So let's go. I'm gonna start photographing around, okay? To get to the Noguchi Gardens, you are going to be on the corner of Anton, which goes this way, and Park at the Pacific Arts Plaza. You're going to go in here, you're going to turn around, walk through here, and it's right in there, behind that building right here. That's how you get here, it's easy. So you guys are going to come down this walkway. You're going to walk by the Moon Goat restaurant, and you're going to walk in, and there is the Noguchi Gardens. It's as easy as that. So it's a really nice area in Orange County. It's safe, as you can see behind me. And if you want to come here, I think it's absolutely safe. Obviously use common sense, but it's in a nice part of central Orange County. Behind me over there, that mall is South Coast Plaza, one of probably if not the best mall in California, super high end, check it out. But the Noguchi Gardens is, honestly, it's one of my favorite spots that I often forget about, and you can't shoot there too much because everyone's like, okay, we got it, it's that same look. But man, if you want to give your client something special, come down the freeway, come up the freeway, check out the Noguchi Gardens, get in, get out, get your shot, make it a very nice day. All right, let's go to Oldtown Orange. All right, so we just finished the Noguchi Gardens. I'm in Oldtown Orange right now. I'm in the middle of this historic district, I'll call it, and there's a park in the middle. You can see that from the map. This place is, besides the fact that I used to live a couple of stop signs back, this place is so incredible because they preserve the integrity of the buildings and the colors and the culture of the area. So they don't, yes, they have a couple of main branches, like you might see a Chase Bank, you might see, that's really all that you see, maybe a Blaze Pizza behind me. Otherwise, it is a small mom and pop shops. It's an old town vibe, and it is the perfect location if you want to do family portraits. It's the perfect location if you want to do a stylized photo shoot that is of a certain time period, and is the perfect location for anything romantic, any kind of engagement shoots, anything like that, like by the fountain, etc. I'm gonna take a few photos again with my phone because I forgot my Fuji, but I want to mainly walk around and drive around and show you guys the architectural integrity of this place. That seemed like I was reading a script, but I want to show you guys the architectural integrity of this place. And wherever you go, whichever way you turn your camera, it's authentic. And that's why so much of Hollywood films are filmed down here. All right, so let me just go ahead and show you some more stuff. I really hope that you enjoyed Oldtown Orange. It's so different than Costa Mesa's Noguchi Gardens. That in of itself is really beautiful and very unique. But this is historic, it's preserved, it's new and it's old. Like there's a whole university here, Chapman University, and then you have all the antique stores which bring a little bit of the older population in too. If you want more help in your business, there's a QR code here or here. Let me tell you about this real fast before you X out of this. VBA, Visual Business Academy, is my Discord. It's where I give lighting workshops and we give like simulations of like customer and photographer, videographer scenarios, freebies, and you get access to my private GPT, which answers all of your pricing questions. But how much is it, you might wonder? It costs absolutely zero. It's my contribution back to the community. And so we're always looking for great photographers around different parts of the world, different genres, videographers, directors, editors, creative visual artists, different niches, different skill levels, and it is free for everybody. Join us in VBA, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. My name is Walid Azami, and I'm gonna keep shooting a little bit more. I'm gonna keep filming a little bit more, okay?